Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on and that your display's lit up, which you can double check here. But with these settings here, there's a few ways you could get to this power button here. You can go through your settings, and then here we go to phone. And then here, there's a limited number of devices you can have stored, so you might need to delete one first. So let's say we want to delete this. We'll delete. Yes. All right. Let's say we want to add one. Under here, right at the top, it says add Bluetooth.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So make sure your Bluetooth's on, which is that symbol. And often if you press and hold, it'll pull up a pairing menu. So here it says search for Ford Expedition. Sometimes this takes a few minutes, but some patience popped up right away this time. And sometimes you might need to restart the phone, try a few times.
Displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Does match these random numbers it pulled up. So we'll hit pair. And then it wants you to confirm on the vehicle side as well. And at this point, you typically can save it as like a favorite.
Please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So if you have it as like the favorite, it'll try to auto-connect your phone whenever you start the vehicle. You can sync up your contacts and things to make it easier for taking calls while driving. And at this point, you should be able to play music, again, take phone calls, things like that through the vehicle. And often you can also sync up your maps and things like that. Which, if you go to your audio in the sources, you should be able to find your phone Bluetooth here. And make sure you've got music playing on your phone for this to work properly. Make sure the volume's on your phone, and then also make sure you've got the volume on here. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.